Gusto ko lang pong categorically pabulaanan yan. Ang tawag nga po ng DFA, it's a misrepresentation of facts. Wala pong nangyaring boarding, wala pong nangyaring inspeksyon, at wala pong nangyaring pagpapaalam.
Malaya adds the Philippines will not ask for permission from anyone regarding issues on the West Philippine Sea.
Hindi po magpapaalam ang Pilipinas kahit kanino at kahit kailanman pag tayo ay nagko-conduct ng mga operations sa West Philippine Sea.
Malaya stresses that the July 2016 arbitral ruling decided that Ayungin Shoal is a low tide elevation within the Philippines' exclusive economic zone and continental shelf. According to Malaya, the July 27 resupply mission to BRP Sierra Madre on Ayungin Shoal was successful because no untoward incidents such as dangerous maneuvers, water cannons, or ramming occurred during the voyage. Malaya attributes the success to the country's negotiation with China